Now, depending on the dimensions and the dimension values that are set up in a company, it's possible that the combination of certain dimensions or certain dimension values don't make sense. And with dimension combinations, we can block these combinations of dimensions or dimension values. Let's have a look. So here in the setup of dimensions, you can see that I can go to dimension combinations. And if you click, you will get a matrix, so an overview in which I can see all my dimensions as lines and columns. So which basically means that you have the combination of all dimensions together. Now, what we can do now, if certain dimensions or using certain dimensions don't make sense and even is wrong, then you can block the combination. And so, for example, for one or the other reason, Kronos has blocked the customer group dimension with the project dimension. And this means that you can never make a posting in which you're using both the customer group and the project dimension, because these dimensions are blocked. Okay. Now, besides blocked, you can also use limited as an option. And limited is used when you want to make a blocking not on the dimension itself, but on the level of the dimension values. So for example, here in case of customer group and business group, you can see that our demo company Kronos has selected limited instead of blocked. And then if you click on the assist edit, you can go to the list of values. Now here you can see a similar overview, but in this case of the different dimension values of my two dimensions. So in this case, you can see the customer groups. In this case, you can see the business groups. And it should be perfectly possible to use the business group together with the customer group, but not for specific values. And you can see here that Kronos already has blocked institution in combination with home. And suppose that using government in combination with home also doesn't make sense, then you can also block it from this page, you see? So this is a more detailed level of blocking. So instead of blocking two dimensions, you can block here specific dimension values. So let's make an example so that I can show you what such a blocking results in. So I will go to a sales document. I will create a new sales order and let's use our customer. So the training dimension customer. There we go. I will go to the line and let's sell an item. So not very important which item. So the most important is that I'm using now two dimensions that are blocked or dimension values that are blocked. So we are selling 10 shares. So if I go now to line related information dimensions, you can see of course that we already have a customer group. And let's also in this case force the error. So I will assign a project. And I will take, for example, Toyota as the project. There we go. And you will see that the dimension combination, so the setting isn't triggered at the moment that you enter dimensions. No, it will be triggered when posting. So now if I try to post, so if I click on post in the ribbon and let's ship and invoice, you will see now that the system will prevent me from posting. And it will literally say that the combination of dimensions used in this order, so customer group project, can't be used concurrently. You see, so this is a very clear message which tells me that there is a problem with the dimension combinations that I'm using in this posting. So now it's up to me to make the necessary correction. So in this case, I see that I made a mistake, so I shouldn't assign a project here. So I can very simply delete the line and try to post again. And now you see the posting went through. You see, so that's basically what dimension combinations will result in. So you can block the use of specific combinations of dimensions or dimension values when they don't make sense to use together. Before going to the last topic of this module, you can now go to the practice where you can set up a dimension combination yourself.